Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your network profile type on your Windows 11 computer guys. So if you want to change between your private and public network option, I show you guys how to do that. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side select the internet and network and internet. On right side select your internet type guys. I am using ethernet, that's why I am clicking on ethernet. If you are using wi-fi, that can be shown up wi-fi for you. Select the ethernet option, select the network option. You are using it, network type and network connected. You can able to change network profile type to private network or public network, and you can change whatever you want it. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.